Hey, filmmakers. So you're starting your project. You have an idea of maybe your storyboard and how you want your video to go, but maybe you haven't even filmed anything yet. What we're going to work on with this video is just showing you how to set up your project because, as a wise person once said, well begun is half done. So let's get started with just setting up your WeVideo project so that you have the foundation to then make an awesome film. So where you will head is probably to your teacher's Google Classroom, and that's where they have your WeVideo link. And so what you should be able to find is the premium WeVideo link. You do not want to just Google WeVideo and try to log in, because then you won't have the premium features that our district has paid for, and you'll have a watermark at the end and it'll be bad. So you'll just simply find the link wherever it is that your teacher has sent it to you. And it will ask you to join with a new account or join with an existing account. You're going to join with an existing account because it's your PSD account. So assuming you're logged into your PSD account, it should take you to some kind of a screen that looks like this. And what we're going to do is create a new project. So we're going to go to your projects. And on the projects, you want to create a new one. So if you click on this blue plus button, it says create new project. And you want to title it something like 8th grade or 8 English film project or something like that. Whatever it is that makes sense to you. You can use personal. You don't need to share or collaborate with anybody. So go to personal and then hit next. And then it asks you if there's like any media you want to add. You probably don't have any media that you want to add yet, so you can just hit next on that. And it might also ask you, like, do you want to make it horizontal, or do you want to just don't worry about that? Then you hit create video. And from there, it takes you to this screen. It might again ask you, like, do you want to make it horizontal? Or yes, you want to make it like horizontal. You want to make it widescreen so that it looks cool and not just like a square video. So it should be like 16:9, and you can change these to this, but 16:9 is probably what you want it to be at. Then we want to title our project. So we want to know, this is like your video. This is your edit. This is where you're going to put all your footage and stuff and put it all together and make it cool. So you can title it whatever you want. If you have an idea of what you want the title of your movie to be, you could title it whatever. But you could also just click on where it says like my video, and you can title it, just like, again, 8th grade film project or whatever. And you can always change it later once you finish it, whatever makes sense to you. And then hit OK. And then you have your WeVideo project set up to go. So now we'll be able to start to collect things and have sort of a home base where you can set all of your stuff. So happy filmmaking and continue with your great work. Thanks, guys.